Good day, I'm Christine Del Monte and I'm here in Coldwell Banker Realty located in downtown Sarasota. Come along with me on a journey as I take you through downtown to learn just a little bit more of what Sarasota has to offer. The urban life for those that are seeking the EDGE Sarasota, trying to give you a little taste of all the conveniences and easy accessibility. We hope you enjoy the tour. Have a great day. Florida Studio Theater is Sarasota's contemporary theater located in the heart of downtown Sarasota. Each theater is small in size and large in impact, providing intimate, engaging settings for high-quality professional performances. Just footsteps away from the EDGE Sarasota. Sarasota Opera House is an ornate, circa 1926 building, which is a treasure venue in downtown Sarasota, hosting a variety of events from ballet performances, orchestra, along with the opera. This 1,100-seat historic theater is close to fine dining and shopping in the heart of downtown Sarasota. So we've taken a couple block walk and we've arrived at Whole Foods, my favorite place to grab a quick, healthy lunch. Here you will find everything organic, healthy, fresh for all of those palates. The location is between 1st and 2nd Street, bordered along Lemon Ave. Again, just right there in the middle of all downtown Sarasota. Whole Foods has plenty of parking, super easy in and out. One of the most convenient things that I love about downtown Sarasota. Hi again, we just arrived outside of Whole Foods to 99 Bottles Tap Room and Bottle Shop. A great place to come 7 days a week. In this case, it's Sunday morning brunch. They offer a New York bagel brunch with any kind of a drink from mimosa to Bloody Mary to a peach Bellini. People are out and about. As you can see, the activity downtown Sarasota. This is located on the commercial level of 2nd Street, where the DeSoto building is above, which is a residential apartment living. In the heart of downtown, next to it, down the street, you'll find another coffee shop named Kawa. We just arrived to the front of Boca, a fabulous farm-to-fork restaurant that provides indoor-outdoor seating, has an industrial feel, a cool hip vibe, along with some nice happy hours sometimes. This is located, like I said, a little bit off of Lemon and Main. This is a portion of that Lemon that is blocked off during the early morning Saturday farmer markets. Fabulous place. Take a look inside. Once upon leaving Boca, we turned left onto State Street. State Street has an actual restaurant called State Street. It also has a fabulous craft cocktail speakeasy feeling bar. Today there is a Sunday brunch from 10 to 2:30. Something that caught my eye was the sweet potato pancakes. Check them out. And here we've arrived to Art Ave, located between Lemon and 5 Points on Main Street. This is truly a unique art gallery. Not only does it have artists that are internationally known as Dali and Banksy, but you also have some amazing, talented local artists. They have a little bit of everything on display, and every first Friday of the month they do provide an auction. So don't forget to stop in at Art Avenue, where you can just be fulfilled culturally by enjoying the works of international and local artists. Such a unique gallery. I highly encourage you to put that on your list.